quite exciting day for me personally. We have just finished an installation in my house, and this is one of the very first SolArk 18 kilowatt inverters, hybrid inverters, and we have installed it with this extremely impressive set of Renon Xtreme series batteries. As you can see, I have 4 batteries in each stack, and I have 2 stacks. So in total I have 8 batteries, just over 40 kilowatt hours of backup, and yeah, can basically be living 100% without CFE in my house. This means that should the power fail, we're fine. The reason I have a grid tie connection is basically I can produce more power than I'm using in the day. So I take advantage of the grid tie contract with CFE to export power to the grid, which then they credit me back for any use I have at night. But if the power went out, I'd be able to survive 100% 24/7 indefinitely without CFE. It's a lovely, lovely feeling. Grid independence. Highly recommend it. Like all the systems that we install, my system in my house also has monitoring, and I'm going to give you a quick look through what that monitoring looks like. The monitoring, incidentally, can be looked at on an app, on a phone. It can be an Android or an iPhone, and there's a desktop version as well. I'm going to show you the desktop version. Okay, so here we are looking at the desktop version. Here we can see the power flow. This is a very simple animation. This shows solar, excuse me, just getting over a cough, solar production. So I've got 9.9 kilowatts. My batteries are more or less full, 99%. So it's, 99, 100%, drawing 105 watts right now. My house load, which basically means all the consumption I have in my house right now, 5.1 kilowatts. And that means that I'm exporting 4.53 kilowatts to the grid, or 4,530 watts. Here's the general picture of what's happened today from the generation perspective. My panels have produced 54.3 kilowatts, of which we've consumed 26.4 and exported 26.5, and 1.4 kilowatts went into batteries. This is a graphic. These were some cloudy times, so we can turn different aspects of this animation graph on and off. So I can, if we just wanted to see what was going on with solar, this is the graph. We had some clouds here, which is when they went up and down. We can add in, for example, what's going on with the battery. This line is state of charge. The batteries have basically been 100% all day because I haven't had any outages. The grid, where it goes above the line, we're importing, and below the line we're exporting, and then this is the consumption that we've had in the house. So again, if I turn the other things off, it's easier to see, and my consumption goes up in the day because I run some offices out of my house as well, and we have the pool pump running and other things, and people are cooking, etc. So that's an overview of the system, how the monitoring works. It's very, very nice, very simple to use. And if you have any questions about this or any other aspect of photovoltaic, solar, or backup, please let us know. We'll be more than pleased to help you. So one thing we have noticed is a lot of people are looking at our videos, but they're failing to subscribe. If you subscribe, you'll be able to see whenever we post more video content like this. And also another huge thing which helps is when you give us the thumbs up, that good old like button. It really helps with the metrics on YouTube, helps more people find our content. So if you could do that, really appreciate it. Thank you so much. As always, my name is Roger Sherman. We are EcoCentra, and we're happy to help you with your projects. Thank you so much for watching.